Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that could truly change your financial future: investing in stocks. I know it might seem confusing or even risky at first, but by the end of this video, you'll see just how powerful and practical investing can be. 1. Long-term wealth building. First up, building long-term wealth. Historically, the U.S. stock market has averaged about 10% annual returns, especially the S&P 500. Example: a $10,000 investment in the S&P 500 in 1990 would be worth over $200,000 today, and that's without doing anything fancy. It's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. 2. Beating inflation. Inflation makes your money worth less every year, but investing helps you stay ahead. $1,000 saved under your mattress loses value over time. $1,000 invested and growing at 8–10% annually? That's your purchasing power growing, not shrinking. Investing in stocks lets your money fight back. 3. Passive income with dividends. Want to earn money while you sleep? Welcome to dividends. Example: let's say you own 100 shares of Coca-Cola. If they pay an annual dividend of $1.84 per share, getting $184 per year just for holding the stock. And if you reinvest those dividends, that's compounding at its finest. 4. Easy access and liquidity. Unlike real estate or retirement accounts, stocks are liquid. You can buy and sell them easily. Need cash fast? Sell a few shares. It's flexible and accessible. 5. Ownership in companies you believe in. When you invest in stocks, you become a part owner of companies. Own a share of Tesla? Congrats, you're a shareholder. That's more than cool. It gives you voting rights and a stake in their success. 6. Low barrier to entry. You don't need thousands to start. Apps like Fidelity, Robinhood, or Charles Schwab let you buy fractional shares. Example: don't have $3,500 for a full share of Amazon? No problem. Buy $10 worth of Amazon stock instead. Start small, stay consistent. 7. The magic of compound growth. This is where the magic happens. Compound interest. If you invest $300 a month starting at age 25 and your portfolio grows at 10% per year, by age 65, you'll have over $1.5 million. Yes, just by being consistent. 8. Diversification made easy. With ETFs and mutual funds, you don't need to pick individual stocks. Just invest in a basket of companies. Buy the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, and you instantly own a piece of 500 U.S. companies. Stock investing isn't about luck. It's about strategy, consistency, and patience. Whether you're investing in a single stock or a broad index fund, your future self will thank you. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's the first stock or ETF you ever invested in or want to? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to invest in yourself.